Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Jeff the Tech Blazer coming at you today with my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G unboxing. I could not wait to get my hands on this phone. I'm very excited about it, so let's start the unboxing. We have the official box from Samsung, Z Fold 2 5G with the reflective mystic bronze color on the front of that. Let's get this one open. I cannot wait to check this phone out. I am so excited for it. Been following everything about it so far. Just getting closer and closer to that date. Can't wait for it. Get this open. This is a beautiful box. Slide the top off of that. Alright. That's a cool little design right there. It goes kind of with the butterfly effect that you've seen on, if you've watched any other video on the phone, the inside of it tends to have a butterfly wallpaper. Oh, that's cool. Change the shape of the future. Reimagine the possibilities of the smartphone experience. Alright, Samsung seems pretty hyped about this. Typical Samsung paperwork. Just gonna put that off to the side. There it is, the Fold 2 with all of your care instructions so you don't break it. Oh yeah, Galaxy Z Premier service, so I think you get your own like concierge service and stuff that goes along with the phone, but here it is in mystic bronze. That is beautiful. It's not quite the color that I wanted. I wanted to get the black, but that's fine. I'm sure this is going to have a ton of instructions with it when it comes to how not to break it. Don't drop it. Alright, get the plastic off of there. Alright, so you can see that crease immediately, but when you have content loaded up on it, I'm sure that's not going to be as noticeable. But big camera module, not quite as big as the Note 20 Ultra, but look at that. This is so cool. That screen is huge. You're going to be able to multitask like crazy on that. Usable front screen. It's a little narrow, but still nice and big. The Samsung branding right on the side of that huge hinge. Mystic bronze color is not bad. It's got dual speakers, fingerprint readers built into the power button on the side. It's actually a pretty nice color. And there's that screen. Hinge feels good, feels pretty sturdy, which I would hope it would be for a $2,000 phone. Got the power brick. Nice little charging cable. Alright, so I just want to show really quick how this phone handles multitasking, because it's pretty neat. So right now we got the front screen unlocked, but we're going to go ahead and open it. Alright, flip, there you go. That's a nice background, one of the preloaded backgrounds that you can just throw on there. But if we swipe over to the side, I put some app combinations right here, so YouTube and Samsung Internet, so I can scroll some YouTube, see what's going on over there. If you are interested in looking at the Z Fold 2, have that going on over there. But say, you don't want to watch a video and have it be just, small like that. If you tap the center of it, you can change the orientation so it's like that. But say, I want to have the YouTube video up top. Do that. You can flip it like that. So then you can have a video playing up here with plenty of space, basically like having an entire smartphone like that amount of screen up top. But then if you want to be using Google or something like that, you can have that down there. So that is pretty cool. And then that little button right there with the plus, that is how you add app combinations. So that is pretty cool. That's just one of the ways that you can do that. One other cool trick while you're multitasking. So again, I have YouTube up top. Oh, wake up. YouTube up top, Google down the bottom. But say I want to run up to 3 apps at once. Flip this over to the side. Currently I have internet messages and YouTube. So say I open that one up. Could watch a full YouTube music or YouTube video down here. Address any text messages or anything I have up here that I want to send or I want to read or anything. Have Google up here. If I wanted to flip all of these around, I could. You know, a bunch of different modes that you can do. It doesn't just have to be 2 apps at a time. You can do up to 3. So that's pretty neat. Never seen anything like this on a cell phone. And you still have plenty of real estate. Like, I think it's all pretty usable. You could see something cool on a video down here and then decide you wanted to Google that, take that, so you want to send that link to somebody in your contacts, boom, send the text message. So this all blows my mind. I think it's all pretty cool. So, and then back to that, fold it up, back to the front. I've never seen anything like this when it comes to a cell phone, and it is just extremely cool technology. Alright, so that's been my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. This phone is just, I don't have words for it yet. It is so cool. Never used anything even remotely close to this, and just, it's really cool to see where technology has basically been able to go. Having a usable, it's not the biggest front screen, but a usable, kind of thin front screen. And then being able to open it up and just having basically like a mini tablet with foldable glass. It's just blows my mind. I'm so excited about this one. But that's been my unboxing. This has been Jeff the Tech Blazer. Please like, share, and subscribe if you've enjoyed this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.